Hello again, it's teacher Mel, and this is the second part of the Advanced Grammar series. I'm making this series because grammar matters a lot, especially when you're taking English writing tests like IELTS, TOEFL, TOEIC, EIKEN, Versant, and other English examinations requiring advanced academic writing skill. If you're new here, welcome and please hit subscribe and the notification bell so you'll know the latest from this channel. Today we'll focus on the structures for making comparisons. I mean, the better structures for making comparisons. We have quite a lot to cover, so let's start right away. The first uses like and unlike. Let's check these examples. Like Anne, Ben is a Filipino. Ben, like Anne, is a Filipino. Ben is like Anne, and thought he is Filipino too. You can also use similar, like in the following sentences. To convey similarities, you can even use the following. And here are the sample sentences for you. The negative construction can be like any of these. Here's the opposite of similar to. Another way of doing comparisons is by using the adjectives alike, not alike. The patterns for those are A and B are alike or not alike in an aspect or aspects of comparison. You can also say A and B are alike or not alike, and that, and your reason. Let's read the sample sentences now. The Philippines and South Korea are alike, and that they are both Asian countries. However, they are not alike in the speed of their development. This is a verb structure. And this is the fourth way of making comparisons. Let's go ahead and read the sentences I prepared here for you. TOEFL is as expensive as IELTS. IELTS is not as academic as TOEFL though. Cebu is as crowded as Manila. Cebu is not as costly as Manila though. Finally, we're down to the last two. We call these the proportional statements. We use these structures when there is a direct correlation between two things. This is the first of the two. The structure to remember is the comparative adjective, comma, the another comparative adjective. This means exactly the same as number 5. But it's always good to be able to say things in different ways. So let's go ahead, let's redo the sentences number 5 using this structure. So we can also say, as the times get harder, the crime rate goes higher. As you do something more and more, the more skillful you become at it. You can rest as quickly as you finish your tasks. And that wraps up today's training. Remember, grammar matters a lot. Thanks for watching and see you next week.